Number 1. Cryptide Sneaker. These shoes don't just have an unusual shape, but they're also made in a very special way. The whole shoe is 3D printed and made with a special material called TPE, which combines flexibility, strength, and elasticity. The material can handle temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius, and some parts are only 1 millimeter thick. The creator of these shoes, German architect and designer Stefan Henrich, explains that the unusual shape of the sole was chosen for a reason. The shoe is named Crypti after extinct or mythical creatures. And if you walk on the ground with these shoes, you might leave footprints that look like Bigfoot's, so don't be scared if you see those prints on the street. Number 2. Weiray AR. Weiray AR augmented reality interfaces used in the gaming industry are still far from perfect, but for cars and other vehicles, there is already a system that shows a lot of useful data on the windshield. According to the developers, the system can be adapted to each user's needs. For example, race car drivers would be interested in seeing the best path to take when entering a curve, while regular drivers would enjoy seeing a traffic light timer. The display can also be used in boats and planes. This technology can also be added to buildings, so you can quickly know the weather forecast or other data just by looking out the window. The project team works with the latest solutions in optics, holography, and chemistry, and also develops the necessary software. Number 3. Pardone. Why use a mouse or touchpad if we were born with the most advanced pointer, our fingers? Driven by this question, Swiss experts have created a unique ring that lets you control the cursor, scroll through pages, and do other familiar screen operations just by moving your fingers. The ring doesn't need extra apps, works with Bluetooth, and is also moisture resistant, so you can wash your hands or dishes while wearing it. The battery lasts 24 hours, and the device is suitable for both right-handed and left-handed users. However, the creators say the work surface should be more or less solid and monochromatic, or else there may be errors. Number 4. Attuntabito 02. The makers of this exoskeleton believe that you can run effortlessly across all kinds of terrain while wearing it. It was created in Japan. The device helps reduce strain on the joints and waist and also absorbs part of the impact load from running. The manufacturer specializes in similar products. For example, they once made an exoskeleton that lets a person lift up to 100 kilograms to a height of 2 meters. This model is a helpful option for couriers or postal workers in modern cities. Number 5. Carapure. Despite being digital and full of technology, sometimes it's hard to find good quality drinking water. This generator, which provides up to 10 liters a day, gives access to clean, tasty, and mineral-rich water. A key feature of the generator is its ability to pull water directly from the air, ensuring the water has an optimal pH level and contains magnesium, calcium, and other elements beneficial to the human body. Want youthful-looking skin? Drink more water, say the creators of this generator. The purity of the water is guaranteed by the built-in UV sterilizer, and at the same time, the device will clean the room's air by collecting harmful substances in special filters and keeping the humidity level ideal. Number 6. Azeron Cyborg. How can you improve a computer keyboard? The answer is on your screen. Latvian specialists see the future of this accessory as offering between 24 and 29 programmable keys, a joystick, and a special 5-position switch. The design allows the keyboard to be adjusted to fit the user's hand, requiring a special screwdriver included with the device. It weighs 1 kilogram and connects via USB. Internal memory stores multiple control profiles. There are versions for both left-handed and right-handed users. The developers claim they have combined the benefits of a classic keyboard and a gamepad into one device. So, gamers, do you think this gadget is comfortable? Number 7. Perdrone PD6BR Arm. A team of Japanese specialists has created the world's first large drone with 2 arms. Weighing 20 kilograms, The drone can hold objects weighing up to 10 kilograms in its arms. It can fly up to 60 kilometers per hour, which allows it to quickly deliver a life preserver to a person in danger of drowning. The drone flies for 30 minutes on a single charge, can operate in any weather, and can ascend to 5 kilometers. The manufacturer believes this invention will help improve safety in various situations, such as when working at great heights or with dangerous materials. Number 8. Bell Nexus. Want to turn a 45-minute car ride into a 10-minute flight? This could soon be possible with this air taxi. The 5-seat aircraft is equipped with powerful engines that allow it to take off and land vertically. The pilot can control the taxi themselves or let autopilot take over. Different versions offer a range of 96.5 kilometers to 21.4 kilometers. The company believes these vehicles will be useful for transporting both passengers and cargo. In the future, they could become part of urban air mobility systems, saving time, which is the most valuable resource for many people. Number 9. Emerge Home. This panel, made in the USA, lets you see and touch virtual objects. The technology uses ultrasonic waves to create tactile sensations up to 0.9 meters above the device and 120 grams around it. The panel is made of polycarbonate, weighs 2.6 kilograms, and is compact, about the size of a 13-inch laptop. With special applications, you can connect up to 7 devices and interact with other people, shaking hands or playing games. The tactile sensations are interesting, but sitting in a chair or on a sofa doesn't offer the best immersion in the virtual world. Number 10. Acto1. The creators of these boots want you to walk through the digital world with your own feet. The device is made of carbon fiber, and the boots can be worn over your regular shoes. Thanks to special rollers, the user walks in the virtual world while staying in the same place in the real world, which allows you to use the boots in small rooms. At the same time, it provides reliable support without becoming skates. It also includes technology that prevents motion sickness. According to the creators, this development will be helpful when working with large virtual environments, as digitized objects can now span thousands of square meters. Number 11. Mango Power. The makers of this energy source believe that your home is your castle, and it should be protected. They point out that large-scale power outages are becoming more common, so having a backup battery wouldn't hurt. The device's capacity is 6.9 kilowatt-hours, one of the best on the market for home power supplies. With this capacity, you can charge your smartphone for 1,060 times, keep your fridge running for about 7 hours, or watch TV for nearly 63 hours. Each unit is equipped with 19 different ports for all occasions, from USB ports to outlets for electric cars. There are also 2 wireless panels for charging smartphones, and the advanced technology helps fully charge the battery in just 2.5 hours. Number 12. Pudu Bellabot. This unusual Chinese robot can transport various goods while also entertaining visitors at supermarkets, restaurants, and fairs. It can carry up to 40 kilograms, weighs 55 kilograms, and operates for a maximum of 24 hours on a single charge. One unique feature is its next-gen scanning system. It can detect obstacles as small as 2 centimeters high and scans the surroundings 5,400 times per minute, allowing it to safely avoid obstacles from a distance of up to 10 meters. The robot also has a cute design and excellent interaction capabilities. It responds to voice commands and becomes happy if you pet it. Right now, the developers are raising $100,000 on Kickstarter. Would you support this project? Let us know in the comments.